As your blitzscaling company grows, it's going to go through a standard set of key transitions that reflect the natural process of growing from a small company in what we call the family stage with less than 10 people into a global giant in what we call the nation stage with over 10,000 employees. These key transitions are things that you as the founder are going to have to learn to manage. But if you're aware of them, if you know what to expect, we think that you'll have a better chance of succeeding. The first key transition that you need to manage is the transition from small teams to large teams. The fact is that a small team is not simply a small version of a large team, and vice versa. The way you manage them actually is very different. When you have small teams, you can manage them in a highly informal way. It's just people sitting next to each other, popping their head up over the cubicle, or talking to each other on Zoom or chat, and there really doesn't have to be a lot of process. But as you grow, you're going to need larger teams, not just because your organization is bigger, but because you're trying to achieve bigger things. And to achieve a bigger objective, you're going to need a bigger team. For those bigger teams, you're going to need to have much more formal structure, team leaders, set meetings, a regular cadence. And so you have to expect that as you transition to larger teams, you're going to have to become much more formal in your management infrastructure. And this is something that you as the founder should work with the team leads on.